Good evening, partners. My name is Randall. I'm a forecaster here at the National Weather Service in Kansas City, Pleasant Hill. And I just want to give you guys a quick update of what we're expecting with this event moving later on in tonight into tomorrow morning. We're expecting just these showers to kind of continue. We're expecting the winds to kind of pick up, and then we're expecting snow on the back end with the strong winds later tomorrow morning. As far as products out, we have the blizzard warning from 9 p.m. tonight into 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We have a winter weather advisory from 9 p.m. tonight to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We have a high wind warning from 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. And we have a wind advisory from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wednesday for a little bit later. But the main thing that I want to drive home here in this update is we're going to have very strong winds, and we're going to have snow later into early Wednesday morning, and then that's what this event is kind of looking like. So the models have been very consistent with these strong winds, so we feel fairly confident that most of the area will see at least 50 mile per hour gusts. In our northwestern area, we're looking for anywhere from 60 to even as high as 70 mile per hour wind gusts, so definitely be careful of that. And we feel pretty confident. As far as timing, we're expecting these winds to start for our far northern fringes as early as 9 p.m. and going all the way through 11 a.m. almost into Wednesday afternoon. So just be mindful that we're going to be expecting winds around 50 miles per hour, pretty much for like anywhere from 9 to 12 hours. So just kind of be ready for that. Um, the areas that will receive the highest amounts of like the highest, strongest winds are mainly looking at, if I go back up here, you can see it's mainly for northwestern Missouri and parts of northeastern Kansas. These are areas that we're expecting to see the most. So like I said, most of the area around that will see um, 50s and 60s. Now, on the back end, going back to the snow, as far as snow amounts, we're a little uncertain with the snow amounts. However, we're thinking that the far northwestern areas will receive anywhere from 2 to 5 inches. And the further south you go, we're looking at maybe 1 to 3 inches. And then if you're south of I-70, well, we're looking for anywhere from a dusting to 2 inches. However, the main threat with this snow will be the winds. Especially for like the northwestern part of Missouri and like northeastern Kansas. I've already said that's where you're going to have the strongest winds, and that's where we're expecting the highest snow totals. So that's why we have a blizzard warning for that area, just because we're expecting this to reduce the visibilities under a quarter mile, potentially for an hour to a few hours. So definitely just be mindful if you're traveling. If you can avoid it, then just avoid it altogether. But further south, the strong winds will still be a big hazard. So definitely be mindful of that. So even if you don't get the highest snow amount, so if you're even in the dusting to a 1 inch range, still be mindful because that high of a wind can still significantly reduce visibilities, making travel very hazardous. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to contact us here. We'll be here waiting on you. You guys stay safe out there. All right, bye.